you have made the big move to the UK, full of hope. But now, you are stuck in a job you hate, or worse, struggling to find one. The bills are piling up, your visa clock is ticking, and you're wondering, can you turn this around? This isn't just a random story. It's what many skilled workers and students in the UK are going through right now. But the real question is, can you change your situation? Can you switch visas and secure your future? Let's talk about it. Over the last couple of years, we have seen this happen again and again. Candidates coming to the UK trusting fake job offers, paying thousands for sponsorships that never existed, or ending up in jobs that don't even meet visa requirements. A lot of people assume getting a skilled worker visa is simple, but reality hits hard when they find themselves stuck in low-paying jobs, terrible work conditions, or in some cases, completely jobless. Now, here are some of the common struggles candidates face. Employers refusing to issue a certificate of sponsorship, fake job offers and shady recruiters, salary too low to qualify for a visa, fear of visa expiry and deportation. Sounds familiar? If yes, stay with me, because we are going to break down what you can actually do about it. Here's the good news. You can switch to a new employer, but there's also a catch. Many people don't know how. So here are the things to keep in mind before switching. Your new employer must be a licensed sponsor. You need to meet the salary and job eligibility criteria, and if your visa is close to expiry, switching might not be an option. So act fast. And here's something important. If someone is asking you to pay for sponsorship, that's a huge red flag. A legitimate employer will never charge you for a visa. If you are hearing these promises, walk away. It's illegal. So what's next? How do you find a genuine employer, and who can actually help you? This is where we come in. At Visa Live, we work directly with licensed UK employers who are actively hiring. That means no middlemen, no scams, just real opportunities. How we help? We connect you with legitimate approved sponsors, guiding you through the application process, ensuring you meet all UKVI visa rules. And the best part, our services is completely free for candidates. We have seen so many success stories. People who applied through our channel are now working in the UK. And we love hearing these stories. So if you have landed a job through Visa Live, share your experience in the comment section below. At the same time, we also see some of you saying that you're not getting responses. We get it. Waiting is frustrating. But remember, there are thousands of applications and not everyone gets it right away. If you don't hear back, don't lose heart. Keep applying, keep exploring different opportunities, and stay persistent. The right job might be just around the corner. Now here's something that can save you a lot of trouble. How do you actually check if an employer is legit? How do you know if they are a licensed sponsor? Drop your questions in the comments below. We are reading and replying personally. And if you want to make sure you never miss out on a new job opening, hit that like and follow button. That way, you'll get instant updates on active job opportunities with Visa sponsorship. Let's get you one step closer to your dream job.